Ladies and gentlemen, that's my setup. We're going into the drain where no GoPro has gone before. Oh yeah. I had a little trouble trying to get it in before. So let's see if we can just get it. So here I got my actual iPad. And that is a beautiful shot. So I am on an angle. I don't want to force things to go too far. My pipe is definitely old. I don't know if you can see that over here. I do apologize for the light. And I am going to show this to the family. No need to rush it. Good inspection. And right here, there's something interesting. I'm not sure if that's a union, but that's going into a different size pipe and everything. Look at that. Back it up just a little. Perfect. I am going to lose connection because that's a route. I am Wi-Fi. Beautiful, man. That is just awesome. I'm losing connection, and now the rest is just a matter of how far I go. How far would you go if you can't see? And how fast will you go? Man, I am excited. No, I'm not excited. I'm not panicking. I don't. Oh man, it's going. No loss. About 15 feet, 20 feet, I'll be at my sewer. I'm going to let it sit there for about 5 seconds so I can 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, I got stuck, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 feet. Here's my GoPro. 20 feet where GoPro has not gone before. No way. Time to go clean this bad boy off and have a good day. I hope you enjoyed the video. See ya!